Everyone embarks on the quest to uncover the true meaning of life, a journey that transcends time and generations, and has been explored by religion and science alike. In this video, I'm here to explore this ever-evolving and changing facets of life's meaning. Why? Because I want to illustrate to you that the significance of your existence transforms hand in hand with your personal evolution. Now, brace yourself, because what I'm about to reveal might initially sound confusing and overly simple. Yet, if you grasp and live by this perspective, you will find fewer worries and a heightened sense of presence. The true meaning of life is what you decided to be, not what you've been taught by others or by society. It's your choice, only yours, and let me explain. The mind holds more power than emotions. Your beliefs shape your emotion. For instance, annoyance arises when someone lies to you because of your belief in always hearing the truth from them. Or you feel you need more money, so you're embarrassed not to be as successful like other people. The fear, the jealousy, the sadness are all derived from your belief about life and needing things that you don't currently have. If we are meant to live in the present, seeking a meaning of life beyond our current experiences becomes paradoxical. While it's delightful to dream of future achievements, the human suffering is caused from the desire or a need of something that we lack in the present moment. If you've been following my journey, you know I'm on a pursuit of spirituality, extraordinary experiences, and unconventional lifestyles, all in the pursuit of unraveling the captivating mysteries of life. Consider your life without actively pursuing a predefined meaning, as most of us do. No need except from what you have right now. What remains? Love. And now, you remain. If you have a worry, there is a time to worry about it, which is probably later and not now. Think about a 5-year-old. 90% of the time happy, 10% of the time unhappy. The transition between the two is very quick. They're hungry, they eat. They're sad, they play. When you let go of the pursuit of a predefined meaning of life, as taught by those who are unhappy and unfulfilled, your happiness becomes a natural byproduct. You can't prove or disprove God. You can't prove or disprove heaven, or even the notion that good grades lead to a good salary. All preconceived beliefs can be questioned. Each of us follows this path in our own unique way. Those who don't seek outside of themselves often find themselves feeling stuck because, as I believe, we are destined to evolve and change in all dimensions all the time. In our 20s, we may believe life is about enjoyment, intimacy, substances, and exploration. In our 30s, the focus shifts to creating a family, and life's meaning transforms into being a nurturing parent, experiencing unconditional love for our children, the first taste of godly love. Entering our 40s, the quest turns towards seeking balance and tranquility. Surprisingly, many people wake up in their 50s claiming it to be the best years of their lives. In every life's phases, our beliefs and lifestyle dictate our evolution. Now listen carefully, because many are missing out on real life. Don't wait until you're old to wake up. You don't need anything to wake up. The task at hand is letting go of your attachments, letting go of the needs that you think that you have, even basic ones. And listen carefully, when you need nothing, you will have everything. Find joy in the simple things, live a simple life, think simple thoughts. Choose your meaning of life and pursue that meaning, because the meaning is what you make of it. And then change the meaning later on. You are the master, no one else. Admit it, you are the only one that is complicating things for yourself in this life. Enjoy your own meaning. Namaste, my friends.